We're back with another box
from Universal Yums.
That used to be our intro way back when I first started my YouTube channel and we first started doing Universal Yums. And if you look through the Universal Yums playlist that I have, you will find that the box we're doing today from the Netherlands was the very first Universal Yums box that we did in January of 2021. This box now is $17 a month. There's a link to it in my description box below if you're interested in joining Universal Yums. And so, here we go.
The box came with a couple of the things we had a couple years ago, plus several new things. One of the things we had a couple years ago, I guess it is now, that we liked was the Gouda crisps.
Okay. This is what it looks like. Cheers. I agree. I still like it.
Nice crispy cracker with a Gouda flavor.
Gouda flavor, a little salty, yet who doesn't like a little salt?
Yeah. So, still works.
Wrong way. There, we like this one.
Next, we have a new one. These little cookies, I gather in Dutch, translate to mirror cookies because they mirror the shape of the mold that they're cut from.
When you said mold, the first thing that came to my mind was moldy food.
A special treat.
A little extra greenery in your diet.
Sort of look like little gingerbread men or maybe gingerbread zombies or something.
Yeah, they do look like little gingerbread peoples. Head first.
And then crunchy with a nice cinnamon taste.
More cinnamon than gingerbread.
And I don't think they're supposed to be gingerbread. They're just a cinnamon cookie. So,
But that's another winner in my book. Good taste, good crunch, yes.
yeah. One of the things we liked from last time was the salt and pepper potato chips. Let's try them again.
Here we go. That's what the bag looks like. It says Trafo. Looks like a potato chip. Smells like a potato chip.
Crunchier than American potato chips.
I don't get much flavor other than grease, which I don't remember from before.
Yeah, you do mainly get grease. On swallowing, I taste the pepper. One of the things we liked before, particularly Anne, was the Gummy Cars candy.
Yes, I remember these. They come in 3 flavors: strawberry, black currant, and cherry. And there are the gummy Cadillacs. So here we go. Stiffer than gummies that we get over here. This is taking a bit of chewing.
No, it's definitely a hard gummy.
I can hear my TMJ cracking each time I chomp. I do remember them from before. I do remember that they were a bit on the chewy side, and they still are a bit on the chewy side, which in some ways, at least for me, might be good because it would keep me from eating the entire bag in 2 bites.
So, still sweet, good, but not a favorite of mine.
Yeah, but you don't
candy.
like...
I don't like non-chocolate candies mostly. It's not chocolate, why bother? This one's new. It's a milk chocolate with hazelnut praline. And so since Anne's allergic to nuts, she's not going to try the hazelnut, but I'll give it a try. So it looks like a chocolate bar. And it's a soft interior. Very tasty. And I'm not a real hazelnut fan. We have just a hint of hazelnut, which works just fine for me. A nice soft gooey interior and kind of a milk chocolate firmer outside. Definitely a thumbs up for me. Last but not least is the classic stroopwafel. I looked up online, I know Anne's looked up online, how to pronounce this thing and come up with a lot of different authoritative pronunciations. So I'm going to stick with stroopwafel for the moment.
I've heard stroopwafel, 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 stroopwafel.
But nevertheless, it's a tasty waffle-like, waffle and caramel cookie that we enjoyed last time and have enjoyed some time since then. Last time we enjoyed it warmed up on top of a hot beverage. This time we're just going to have them out of the wrapper and see how they are just raw.
This is what she looks like. I'm hoping that the camera picks up, there we go, some of the actual waffleness. And supposedly there is some caramel in there, so have a bite.
Has a nice chewy texture and has sugar on the outside. Still very good. I do like it heated up, so I may heat up some of them for a little later.
Yeah, it's a nice, good, I'm going to call it a cookie, a caramel-filled cookie.
Yeah.
Definitely keeps my sweet tooth happy.
Mm-hmm.
Is it just me, or did I eat that so now it looks like the state of Texas?
The Texas stroopwafel.
So after much chewing and digesting, we have determined that our top favorites are, for me, I like the gummy Cadillac candy cars, and I like the cinnamon gingerbread men, except they're not gingerbread, they're just cinnamon. And Jeff likes?
I like the hazelnut candy bar and, of course, the stroopwafels.
So now that you know what we liked, did you see anything in here that tickled your potential taste buds? Let us know down below. One of the things that we like about Universal Yums is that it comes with a brochure that tells a little bit about the country, a little bit about the items that you get, and then there's his favorite part of the trivia. So play along at home. Let me know your answers down below, and let's see if I can get anything correct.
So here's some questions for you, the test you didn't study for. In 2012, the city of The Hague built a $176,000 bridge to A, help squirrels cross the street, B, connect an island to the city, C, beat the record for most expensive bridge, or D, help students commute to Hague University.
Help students commute to the university?
It's actually help squirrels cross the street, between two parks. And apparently they originally thought it was sort of a failure because they only had 5 squirrels cross in the first 2 years. And now they have 226 squirrels having crossed. How do you get that job of counting squirrels?
I don't know. That could be an interesting job.
Yeah. If you're short on cash, one Dutch rail company lets you ride in exchange for A, music, B, books, C, a good report card, or D, labor.
Labor?
It's actually books. You can trade in a book and ride the rail line. Okay, one more for you. The Dutch top their morning toast with A, orange slices, B, caviar, C, strawberry frosting, or D, chocolate sprinkles.
Caviar?
It's actually chocolate sprinkles.
Huh.
I didn't get that one either.
Well, I got 0 out of 3. How did y'all do? Let us know down below. So, thank you for joining us on our second adventure to the Netherlands. And like I said, I'm going to try and link our first video down below, or maybe have it pop up on the screen, the playlist for it. Hope you take a look at that. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to my channel so you can watch some more of our crazy adventures. Share with your friends, and we do hope to see you again in another video. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.